Kev G with a weather overview, and we have a true heat wave going on across the tri-state area with many places are going to see 3 days in a row or even 4 days in a row of temperatures of 90 or better, and the heat index, which is how it really feels on the skin, is going to be up near 100 degrees, especially tomorrow, the hottest day of the week for you, Thursday. So this is Noah. Like them on Facebook and Twitter. We have a little bit of relief coming for the weekend, but at a price. So I'll tell you all about that as we go along. Let's take a look at the temps right now. Very hot across the region. Temperatures still in the upper 80s to low 90s. And the humidity is a little higher out on Long Island as opposed to the city, and that's due to the wind direction. So just hot everywhere you go, and a lot of people, I'm sure, are enjoying the beach with all this hot weather. So we do have a thunderstorm threat for tomorrow night I want to touch on. So tomorrow is the hottest day of the week because of the combined temperature and humidity being so high. So most of the day, if not all day, is fine. We're just going to have to deal with the heat and humidity. But by nighttime, we're going to have a complex of showers and thunderstorms. And this is off of the Canadian model, courtesy of Tropical Tidbits. And this area of showers and thunderstorms, depending on how fast it moves, could affect the entire area, but after 8 or 9 o'clock at night. So if you're going out late tomorrow night into Friday, especially north and west of the city, keep an eye on the radar for an area of fast-moving showers and thunderstorms. And then that gets out of here for Friday. Now, if we have leftover clouds on Friday, that might knock the temperatures down a little bit. But I think overall we're pretty much headed for another 90-degree day for most, if not all, of the tri-state area on Friday. But we'll have a tiny bit less humidity working in, so that'll be a little bit of a relief. Now, as we go forward, there'll be a change in the weather pattern overall. And that's going to start probably late in the weekend, Saturday night into Sunday, as we get a more active weather pattern going for a few days, and then it sort of backs off. So Saturday looks really nice. I think most of the day is dry. We have temperatures in the mid-80s. It'll feel definitely a lot less humid. But then by nighttime, the humidity will start to creep up, and what will happen is a front will lay across the tri-state area, but for several days. So although it won't rain most of the time, we are going to be in this sort of like alleyway for a lot of active weather starting Saturday night and probably lasting into a good portion of Monday night before the front starts to move away by Tuesday and we start to have more tranquil weather conditions. So basically what you can expect from late Saturday night through Monday night is that we're going to have periods of showers and thunderstorms, and some of these could be pretty heavy, especially if they keep going over the same areas over and over again. It's going to be a tough forecast. It's going to be one of those things where it's going to be a lot of variability in the forecast and a lot of variability in the weather. Some areas may get a lot of rain, others may not. It's just the nature of the game here with this sort of setup. But the overall theme of the weather pattern going forward is for Saturday night through Monday night to be unsettled with occasional showers and thunderstorms moving through basically at any time with this active frontal boundary sitting across the tri-state area. But then you see what happens as we go to Weather Underground. Nice turn in temperatures after that. I mean, Tuesday, I don't think it rains all day. I think it's an early threat. Again, from Saturday night through Monday night, it's not going to rain the entire time, but there's going to be an active period where, showers and thunderstorms can pop up at any time. And then these temperatures really come down in a nice way for the latter portion of next week. So I think once we're past Saturday, we rid ourselves of the, very hot weather. We trade it off for some showers and thunderstorm chances to increase in coverage and intensity starting late Saturday night and lasting through about Monday night and Tuesday. And then after Tuesday, or basically Tuesday and beyond, I think that's when we see lower temperatures and comfortable conditions.